I really enjoyed getting to know Violet over breakfast, and we shared kaya toast. I thought, let's bring that Singapore staple of kaya toast together with one of my weekend favorites, French toast. So to start my recipe, I'm pouring in 250 ml of rich coconut milk into a pot, and I'm going to warm that up with some dark brown sugar. So half of my brown sugar, 75 grams, will go into the pot. And a kaya or coconut jam is thickened by eggs. So I have 4 egg yolks and 1 whole egg. I'll add the brown sugar to that. I have fresh pandan leaf here, tied in a knot, just like Violet did. I'll drop that into the milk. I'll give this a little whisk. I'll whisk my egg yolks and whole egg together with the sugar. And I'm just waiting for that coconut milk to reach a simmer. It's almost there. I can really smell that pandan flavor, so I know I can pull this out now and set it aside. And I'll gradually pour the hot coconut milk into the egg mixture. Everything gets added back to the pot, and then I stir it until it thickens. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes. You'll see the kaya slowly thicken up as it cooks, and you want it to coat the back of the spoon. Then you know it's done. There we go, it's nicely thickened. And now I have a bowl set with 75 grams of butter, and I'm going to pour the kaya through a strainer, and the heat will melt the butter. And that's part of what will set up the kaya once it's chilled. There we go. I'll set this aside to cool to room temperature and then chill it. Once it's chilled, you can really see how it thickens up. It's got such a great consistency. Look at that. Oh. I have 3 whole eggs, and I'm going to add a cup of milk. And just lightly stir that together. That's the French toast base. You can just use a fork for this. And I'm not stopping there. To bring it closer to Singapore, or really to bring Singapore closer to me, I'm going to dip the French toast after I put it in the egg mixture in some flaked coconut. Let the pan get hot. I'll drop in a little bit of butter. Once you see the butter foam and then subside a little bit, you can start your French toast. Dunk it just for a second, both sides, in the egg mixture. And then I dip it in the flaked coconut just on one side. And that's the side that goes into the pan. And it crisps up as it cooks in the pan. What a treat. A few minutes on each side, the coconut will brown beautifully, be warm and toasty on the outside, and soft on the inside, ready for the kaya. Slice my toast to serve it. And now the warmth of the French toast is gonna wake up the pandan flavor in this kaya. It's kind of a replacement for maple syrup. I could get used to this. Just a little dusting of icing sugar and a scattering of fresh berries. And there it is, kaya French toast, perfect for Sunday brunch.